1. Unpacking an industrial label printer. 2. Double packaging is more safer. 6. ODPI printing more clear. All of the parts are in the box. When you unpacking the box, PLS don't forget any parts. 1. Install the ribbon. Notice directions of the ribbon when you install it. If you install it wrong, the printer will be not printed. The ribbon LED light will be flashing when you power on. Install ribbon rewind reel. I use the used ribbon. The ribbon doesn't with sitter. Only use the small sticker to fix the ribbon. If you don't use the sticker to fix the ribbon, it'll be moving when you print it. Then printed text will be offsets. Install the label paper. White ribbon prints the black label. Paper install is very easy. Fix the label paper and make the paper under the ribbon. Closed the print head. Connected the power cable and US cable. POW on the printer. When showing the 3 LED not flashing, that means the printer is ready. Download all the software and templates from the links. You can choose to download all when you open the links. After downloading, you can open the folder to zip the file. Install the printer driver first. If there are not the printer name, you can restart the printer again. It will be on the lists. After installing the driver, then you need to install the software. The software installed is very easy. Only need next until finished. That'll be okay. You also need to install the font, which uses it to print the imei font. Unzip the font. Choose all of the fonts. And right-click to install it. Open the software. And open the templates. You can change the words and imei numbers by yourself. When you print it, you can adjust the printed speed and density. Density settings to 16 and speed set to 25.4 millimeters des. Then test it. It will be very clear. Any issues, contact with us.